bad boy, secure. So guys, this is it, the finale. This is what it's all been building up to. 20 weeks of work, 20 weeks of dieting.
You've done more squeezing today than a woman going through childbirth.
I tell you what.
How you feeling?
No, that's harder than childbirth.
George doesn't know where we're going. Where have you booked?
Red Dog Saloon. It's one of his favourites.
Yeah.
One of his favourites. I can't wait to see his face. Have you had a look at the menu?
No. What do you want to get?
The greasiest burger.
Yeah.
He's upstairs. Greasiest burger. And they do Philly steak fries.
Ooh, baby.
Oh, hello. Haven't seen you here. We're in Soho. Prep is complete, and we're going out for a meal. I don't know where we're going, but my guess, probably going to be somewhere greasy. Could be a pizza, could be pasta, could be steaky burgers. I just don't know. But what I do know is that we're running out of space on the escalator, and we're going to go eat some food. So I'm buzzing. Come along for the ride.
If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. In tricky situations, I will be a lifeline. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before.
Right guys, so first tickle of the old Red Dog Saloon, we have got the Brooklyn Lager.
It's not wine.
Notey tones of lager. I'll tell you what, that's marvellous. Can we give that a shot? Oh, we need the coleslaw as well. So, decided to go for the most expensive burger, the Devastator. I mean, look at that, mate. Oh, wow. So this is there a menu so I can talk through this? So there's 3 cheeses, 3 patties, we've got some caramelised onions at the top, some beef brisket, we've got caramelised bacon, I believe, and then here we've got the Philly cheesesteak chips, which I actually had these last time I came here, unbelievable. So got the coleslaw coming, mate, just, yeah, I have no words. When the coleslaw comes, we'll do like that. That's if it is coming.
What'd you get?
Check out those mozzarella sticks.
What did you get again? What's it called?
Gooey Louie.
Gooey Louie.
So it's got bacon,
Oh, Louie, you're so
patty,
giddy.
mozzarella stick. Come at me, bro.
Right, it's like, I mean, look at that. So we get our fingers stuck in there.
Yeah, finger it.
Oh, yeah. Get involved in that. Do a little live taste test, hold on. I feel like this is one of those meals you just have to get messy for.
Thank you.
Oh my god. It just melts in your mouth. It's honestly, that meat is so soft. I feel like if you had like a big chunk of it, it would just like cut with a spoon or something, but that is unbelievable.
Does it taste like Philadelphia?
It does. I feel like I just want to go, yeah, girl. That is sensation. That is the cheesiest, creamiest, Red Dog, saloniest coleslaw you ever did see, boy.
Might have to try and cut it.
Oh, see that? Oh, mate. Right, let's see if I can. This may have to be a knife and fork job. Wow. I mean, it's just so good.
That literally dripped like a waterfall.
Oh my god. That is honestly, you can literally taste how the bacon's caramelised. The cheese is just so cheesy, saucy, and you've almost got this sort of like gravy that runs through it. It just gives it that like barbecue kick at the back of the throat as you're eating it. That's a 10. I've only had one bite, that's a 10. Fuck me. Wow.
That's all you're allowed.
Oh wow.
Back to prep.
Bon appetit. Yeah, lovely, thank you.
What's the sauce you got on the fries?
So the sauce we got here, it's almost like a It's like a barbecue-y, burgery sauce. It almost tastes like a, if you imagine curry sauce and a burger sauce, like the McDonald's sort of Big Mac sauce, it's like a hybrid of that. I've got to say, it works amazingly well with these chips. And I think in general, you come a lot of places and coleslaw is like very, very hit and miss. This one's super creamy, very light. Right, I've got to say, the whole meal, the Devastator, the coleslaw, the Philly chips, I literally can't fault it. If you're thinking of coming to Red Dog Saloon, feels like I'm being sponsored by them. If you're thinking of coming here, come. This burger is sensational. How was your burger? You finished yours now. I'm lagging behind me.
Defeated. I feel like I could finish that, but
Yeah.
I might be sick all
See, this is the thing. When you've been dieting for such a long time, your stomach just goes.
From this angle, it looks like you haven't touched your burger.
Who, me?
Yeah,
Oh fuck. To be fair,
spin your burger around.
hold on. This. I've literally eaten that half. It's just so hard to attack it. That's the only problem. This is literally. See that little gap there? That little gap is holding together this whole burger. It's like the little strands that are holding together my life right now. Should we go for another grab? Should we go for another grab?
Go for it.
I'm sure the viewers love a grab. That.
Can I get a oh yeah?
Going again. I reckon I could do that. You know? Double dip. Double dip. Right, hold on. Boosh. Oh, I need more mayo. Ugh. Right, we're gonna get some more mayo, guys. You ready? Okay. Oh my god. Wow. That's top 3 burgers I've ever had.
You're a mess, Ness.
You're the best, Ness.
You've got it up your nose.
You've got a moustache.
I'm such a bad advocate for health and fitness. Health and fitness, bro.
As a guess, how many calories?
As a guess, genuinely, if I want to get like really nerdy, we've got 3 patties. I reckon each patty's probably going to be about 300, so that's 9. The bun, 1,100. Meat on top, probably about 1,003. Plus you've got all the cheeses, we're talking 4, 5, talking about 1,006. I reckon for this entire burger, we're talking close to about 2,000 calories. This, I reckon about 1.5, so I reckon that's turning to up 3.5. Fuck me. Yeah, I reckon this meal could be close to about 4,000, plus all the rest.
Odds on pudding?
100%. Silly question, mate. Although I'm not technically a peth, my mum will be going, yeah, go on, George, proud of my boy. Peth belly. There's always room for pudding. There just is, you know, family of bakers. You just got to get pudding. I'll OF Contreras you in a minute.
I
Mum,
don't even know what that means.
can I have some more mayonnaise, please? Whoever invented chips, it's just an absolute G. If you're watching this, big up yourself, you bad man.
Booyakasha, right?
Been defeated by the tower. I'm having to do the old splitsy and the old
Lickety split.
the old lickety split, rickety split. Who's heard that combo? It's unmatched. Also, if you subscribe to my channel and you don't dip your burger in sauces, unsubscribe. Get out my channel. Get out of here, man.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Cheers.
Oh, I just want to cuddle my cats.
So, should we do it? Do it? Do it? I feel like that should have looked more aesthetic than it did.
What's the new one you just poured on?
The new one I've just poured on is the Red Dog Austin, Texas barbecue. And it's like if you imagine a can of chopped tomatoes, but more ketchupy, and like a twang. It's like a twang. You know, like if you've got like a friend that lives in 2 different countries. That doesn't make any sense. Let me explain it. Hold on.
Explain it with a mouthful of food.
So basically, what you want to do is you want to get a mouthful of food. Take the twang. Okay. So, I'm getting the beef, I'm getting chili flakes, I'm getting like the tomatoey saucy taste, and then chilies in your face, like wow, almost like jalapeno-y, gurkha-y, sauce. Oh, almost there. Bruce. Just me. Okay, no worries.
You can do it, Bruce.
Yeah. I mean, I'm getting lots of twang. Like, the best way I can describe it is you get the crispiness of the chips, the softness and the tenderness of the beef, the twangy, zingy pop, of the sauce, and it brings it together into a melody that just dances across the tongue. It's just absolutely delicious. I mean, that was, and still is, sorry Hannah, the best thing I've ever put in my mouth. Delicious. Absolutely. Wow. There's my heart saying, George, get it. My head saying, George, you're a twat, don't get it.
How much on a scale of 1 to 10 do you want to put in right now?
My stomach's saying, fuck you. And everything else is saying, you call cowboy, get it Sunday to sheriff, don't sheriff, fuck that or anything. Let's go. So yeah, that's where I'm at.
So again.
I'm gonna get chocolate nemesis.
Chocolate nemesis.
You gonna share it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Hackery brownie. Yeah, we'll get chocolate nemesis. Nemesis.
Bangin'.
Thanks.
What have we done?
Look at that. Look at that. I just want to go. I won't, but I want to smell it. Just yeah, creamy. Ooh, get in there. Get in there, boy. Right, taste test. What are we saying? Describe all of the textures, the sensations going on in your face right now.
Oh, unbelievable.
Is it? That's a good sign. Gonna zoom in on the old creamage. Oh, look at that. Mmm. Bows. That's a big old spoony. Mmm. Okay, it's coming with us. It's coming with us, guys. Oh my god. It's like a smooth, velvety, rich, delicate. I need to get a little bit more of this shebang. There's just so much cream on top.
What's in it? Because all I see is whipped cream.
Okay, so let me get a bit. Basically, there's a load of sort of thicker vanilla ice cream in the middle, but the top is just so creamy you have to almost like dig into it in order to get to it. So if I take another mouthful, I'll explain what that is. So this is brain. Oh my god, this is brain-free city right now. So the chocolatey bits. If you imagine Ben & Jerry's have got like a chocolate brownie ice cream. The chocolatey bits are exactly the same as the taste of that. They're chewy, they're doughy, they're delicate, they're delightful. It's fucking good, mate. Out of 10?
9.
You know what you got to do? You've got to get the outside and you've got to sort of like then attack the middle. But it's very creamy, it's very gooey, it's very chocolatey, and it's ding dong diddly doodly. Deadly, diddly, doodly, diddly, 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 diddly. Have you read? Fuck me. Whoa!
You okay?
That brownie is fiddly bomb, brilliant. Best bloody brownie I ever fiddly boo boo. Oh, I've got such a stomachache. Okay, guys, so we've just finished in Red Dog Salon. I've done my jacket up so it looks like this is a completely different clip. But what a meal, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little clip that we did. Something a little bit different, not in the gym, not with my clothes off. I actually have my clothes on this time. Honestly, guys, if you've not been to Red Dog Salon before, highly recommend it. Unbelievable burgers. So guys, we have some big news. Myself and Mr. Matt behind the camera here are going to be doing a brand new series. We're going to be touring some of the best gyms in the UK and some of the best restaurants in the UK. I'm absolutely buzzing to kick this new series off. So guys, something that we need from you, from the fans, from the watchers, which is going to be really important. If you could drop below in the comments your favourite gyms in the UK, it could be your gym, it could be gyms that you love, or your favourite restaurants in the UK, or places that you like to eat. that would be amazing. We're going to be rating them, reviewing them, eating them, training them, lifting them, fucking everything to them, and it's going to be proper naughty bosh. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video today. As always, I love you very much. Adios.
George, what's your guess for where we're going? You got one guess. If it's right, I'll let you know.
Are we going to Disneyland?
You're right.
Come on. I reckon, I don't want to say like a specific place because I don't want to like ruin it, but if I had to guess, I'm saying like a sort of steakhousey, burgery vibe, but it's hard to say because to be honest, I just love food. Like legit, I'd be happy with anything.
Going to a vegan place.
Yes. We're going.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
Every line is operating with severe delays. They're saying dogs must be carried. I was about to go. It's out of order, really, isn't it?
You are trying not to get any Christmas presents.
Well, who's going to stop me?
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were